Hi everybody. Today is Friday, and usually on Fridays if we're at school there's a message about stay-at-home days, but since we're doing so many stay-at-home days I thought let's do some messages about other things. So I have 3 different messages for you today. Let's start up here with message 1. Yesterday you might remember Miss Laura in her video talked about doing something called a picture walk, so I drew that up here, picture walk. She had drawn a book with a cat, and she talked about, when you're at home and you find a book, you might not be able to read the words, but you can read the pictures by flipping the pages and looking at the pictures or drawing and seeing what's going on. And it's kind of like reading the book by looking at what are the characters doing or what's happening when I look at the pictures. So maybe you had a chance to do that already. You can do it anytime you want to. You can do it by yourself, or maybe you want to find a stuffy and use it like a reading buddy like we do at school sometimes, or you can ask somebody at your home if they want to sit with you and look at the pictures and do a picture walk with you. So that's something you can always try with books you have at home, okay? Message 2, you might notice I drew some letters. I have A, B, and C, although we know there's many more letters in the alphabet. And I was wondering, do you think at your house you could go on a letter hunt? Can you go and find letters or words around your house on different things? And then I thought, can you find all the letters in your name just by looking at things around your house? For example, I wrote my name, Danielle, up here. I have 8 letters in my name, D-A-N-I-E-L-L-E. And I was thinking, you know what, in my kitchen, there's a lot of different things that have letters on them, like food packages. And I was thinking about the box of Cheerios I have in my kitchen. And when I think about the word Cheerios and I'm looking, I see, oh my gosh, there's 2 E's, and I have 2 E's in my name. So I already found 2 letters, and Cheerios also has an I in it. And I have an I as well. So just by looking at one box of food, I already found 3 of my letters. So I might go through other boxes of food in my kitchen and find the other letters in my name. I'm wondering if you can all do the same thing at home with your name and your letters. Where can you find the letters in your name in your house? Go ahead and give it a try, okay? And finally, message 3, Miss Laura and I talked about how we're gonna kind of try to give you a fun fact every day. Yesterday, Miss Laura did some facts about bones, and she was talking about the bone in her finger and how it's almost better. And you learned that babies actually have more bones than adults. Pretty cool, huh? Today, I went ahead and found some facts about cats. I was thinking about the cat book that Miss Laura and I drew, and I thought, let's find out more about cats. And I found out that if you have a group of cats all together, it's called a clowder. Kind of a funny word, isn't it? But when there's a lot of cats all together, that's what it's called, a clowder. A boy cat, which I drew here in blue, is called a tom. Maybe you've heard somebody say the word tomcat before. So boy cats are called toms. And a girl cat, which I drew here in red, is called a Molly or a Queen, which I think is very fitting for girls. So yeah, girl cat, Molly, or Queen. And a lot of us already know that baby kittens are called, or baby cats are called kittens. So they have special names, even though we might call them all cat. If you really want to be specific, you can talk about a boy cat is called Tom, a girl cat is called a Molly or a Queen, and a baby cat is called a kitten. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, just like Miss Laura did yesterday, she did a little song for you, and I'm gonna do one for you too. You might remember in our songbook we have the song about 10 little snowflakes, but I've been thinking there's been so much rain going on, maybe we can change the song to be 10 little raindrops. So on my board here, I drew 10 little raindrops so we can look at them while we're singing. And remember, for this song, you can think about different body parts where the raindrops can be falling. So let's sing it a couple times together, okay? So here we go. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little raindrops, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little raindrops, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little raindrops, 10 raindrops falling on my head. Where else can raindrops fall? Ooh, I have an idea. Let's sing it one more time and we'll pick a different body part, okay? 1 little, 2 little, 3 little raindrops, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little raindrops, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little raindrops, 10 raindrops falling on my knees. Where else can you make the raindrops fall? Maybe you want to sing it with a family member or with a pet you might have at home. Go ahead and give it a try, okay? Thanks for listening, everybody. You'll see Miss Laura again in the next video on Monday, okay? Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye.